Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot open or find any games in the Google Play Store on the VIVO V15 Pro. And to do this, let's open our Google Play Store and here try to find a game like Call of Duty. So there's no results that we're looking for. And to fix this issue, we'll need to go back, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and go to the settings. Here, reveal family and select parental controls. Now we can either disable parental controls entirely or click on apps and games, insert the PIN code, click on OK, and here increase PG to 16. Make sure to save those settings afterwards and go back. Now we can retry to find Call of Duty, and here it is, we can install the game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.